On your slide out care and maintenance, there's a few things you can do as an owner. First, before you pull your slide out in after you've been camping, you want to make sure there's no debris left on top of the slide out. So just get a ladder, take a look up there. If there's any debris, you want to sweep it off before you go ahead and pull the slide in, because it can get trapped up there and ruin one of your seals or make the slide not come in all the way. These are swipe seals. What they're meant to do is if you're pulling your slide in with some water on it because it's raining out, they'll squeegee the water away. It's not uncommon to have a little bit of water sometimes go into your RV when you do pull your slide outs in if there is some water on it. It's common, there's not a leak, it's just it didn't get all the water off. To take care of the seals, you just want to make sure when you're washing your RV, you wash it with the slides in and then with the slides out. Go ahead and keep the debris off the slides. Once you do that, you can also buy some conditioner for your seals so they keep them soft and flexible so they can work properly. So just go ahead after you're done washing your RV, go ahead and spray the conditioner on, wipe it off, and you should be good to go there.